Here's a video of this Kool Be True cigarette vending machine. This machine is in good working order. All the locks are unlocked, accepts coins and bills, and also makes change in the form of nickels, dimes, quarters. Currently set to $8 per pack of cigarettes. And here's the display offerings. You can change those, or as you see, there's a blank one, so you can put something there, as well as the second row if you want to. So first, I'll show you that the bill acceptor works. We got $0 inserted. There's $1. There's $2. Insert a 5. Try the other way. Yeah. Well, maybe not. I thought I had a 5 inserted. Dang, maybe not. Okay, well, let's keep inserting ones then. 3. Empty the money bin out. Sorry for the shakiness of the video, guys. Alright, we got 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. 2 more. Seven. And there's 8. So now you can just go ahead and pull one. And there you go. Instead of a pack of cigarettes, I had this jewelry case in there just to show that it vends and works correctly. So there you have it. Works good. This is an antique type machine, and it is in pretty good condition for its age. The light's working well. The bill validator works well. You can also insert a coin. There you go. So the coin acceptor works as well. And then you saw the bill acceptor take 1s. And I'm not sure why it's taking 5s, but let's see. 6 should be on. Yeah, it's on. So I'm not sure why it's not taking 5s. Maybe this one's too crinkled and it can't read it. There we go. It took a 5 that time. So there you go. It does take 5s and 1s, as you saw there, or 2s. So 1s, 2s, or 5s. And there you have it. Nice working machine. Does have a feature as well where it can make change. So whatever money's in there will come with the game. There's a lot of quarters and nickels and dimes. So there you have it. Located in Charlotte, North Carolina. Local pickup, local delivery, and shipping is available. Thank you for watching.